How to buy crypto on Revolut. So if you would like to buy crypto on Revolut, it is very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application. Once you launch the Revolut app, you want to go to this crypto or trade like icon right from the bottom navigation menu. And as you've done that, under this world section, you'll find stocks, crypto, commodities, and war. But we want to go to the crypto section that you can find from the menu again. So go to the crypto option. On the next page, you can see buy Bitcoin and more. So all we have to do here is now to just begin tap on the start button right there. And once you tap on the start button, you can fill out your payment information, select a certain crypto that you want to buy, enter the amount you want to buy, link your payment details, and you'll have successfully bought crypto on Revolut. This way you'll be able to buy crypto on Revolut. I hope that this video really helped you, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.